Thank you, everybody, for joining us. If somebody's near the sparks, so you've got your Jamie, can I impose on you to open up a couple bottles? Thank you. It's so nice to meet all of the new people. I don't know, I imagine everybody looked at the post reports before they got here, but a lot of them were real downers and said, oh, there isn't that much community, everybody sticks to themselves, and it certainly hasn't been my experience, and it's because of the people who were here. So we've really appreciated knowing you all, and Esther's enjoyed